Alright, hopefully we can see this, but I got the big box of crap that hopefully, I don't know, I have some double interior parts, but we'll see exactly what I need out of this box to get these door sills all put into place. I'm gonna take these damn seats out. These seats will go in the RX-7 when the time comes, once I get mounts for it. Pretty sure a lot of this stuff's trunk stuff, so we do that as well. But yeah, alright. It's okay. Not sure how well you can see that, but I got the bases in, so it looks more like a normal car. Just gotta figure out where those wires go on both sides. Both bases got this. I just gotta clip that back in. That's good, that's good. That's it. It's starting to look like a normal car again. And a monkey. Alright, so the kick plates won't go in. The doors will not lock. I don't know if it's because I have not just the tiniest, utmost of clearance or what, but the kick plates will not work. I gotta figure out something to cover up these holes or leave it. Otherwise, I'm just gonna double check everything, and then if I got everything inside, there you go, monkey. If I got everything done inside, I'm gonna go get the seats from downstairs and install the driver's and passenger seat. And the interior should essentially be done, I believe. But we'll see. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Chaos has subsided a little bit. Still chaos, but guess what? We got one seat in. That seat I need new bolts for because I got this Jegs riser that'll give you 1 to 3 inches. I got it on 2 right now. And when I sit in the car, this is my eye view, which is perfect for me. So then I can see the dash. You can see the steering wheel, control the shifter, blah, 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 and kind of get a good eye view. The passenger seat might still be sitting on the low side, but ain't my problem. I'm a driver. They can relax. Otherwise, trying to figure out what else I got to do. I'll probably lift the car up and start getting it prepped so that I can throw the motor and trans into it, and then hopefully slowly but surely get it up and going. But at least most of the interior is in. Not sure how much you can see with the I don't know how much you can see with the lights the way they are, but let's see, the interior's in. There's little odds and ends I gotta take care of, figure out where they go. But she's coming along. She's coming along. I just need this to start. Oh, I found the license plate, and it has been 4 years since this car last ran. Well, 5 years because I think I drove it in 17. Not sure, but I mean copyrighted. But hopefully I get her up and running soon. I miss this car, honestly. I mean, this car's cool and all. Ooh. The B8's cool and all. Motorcycles are cool and all. But this is the car I started back into the car community with. Like, alright, well, I don't know if you can see, but I wound up lifting it up. Now it looks like a monster truck. Getting it ready to put the new brakes on. Not sure when that's going to happen, but there's a little preview. Whoa. Before and after. Yeah, the light doesn't do it justice, but the purple on this thing is sick. I also got to put the rotors on, but that's probably in the next video since it's already up in the air, right? Alright, well, it's almost 2 in the morning. That's pretty much the last of it. This is what I got done. Just put in the windshield wipers and the firewall cowl. There you go. Put that guy in. Made it look more like a car. Gotta clean that paint and stuff. It's gonna look so nice with the motor in it. But that's it, man. She's lifted. I just gotta take all this off because I still gotta put this back on, realign the RS4 panel and everything else. Gotta swap out all the old radiator support stuff onto here. And then I think what I'm just gonna do is pull the hood, fenders, front bumper, headlights, and then drop the subframe and pretty much roll the trans and engine into the motor bay, or into the engine bay, and get it mounted up. But yeah, that should be all for now. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.